that thing's broken. It doesn't hold the door. So we gotta get that off, a new one on. Let's do it. Okay, so we got all the stuff, and we've got Korean instructions. Yay! Alright, come on. There we go. Okay, well, there's that one. So, the twisty part. Oh, that's gross. Let's clean the door. Okay. Okay. Yup. When that screw to that first screw should be. Ow, cramp in my leg. Okay, now we gotta adjust this. So our directions here say 1차, 2차 is the let's see here. No. 뭐지? The one on. Ah, right. I don't have a flathead screwdriver. We gotta go find a flathead screwdriver. I don't know where my flathead screwdriver is. I've got a small one. That'll work, right?
That's what she said.
I didn't have to drill the holes, I just realized that. Hey! No! No more slamming! Yay! Oh, I like it! Yeah, yeah! Ooh, 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 yeah! Oh, yeah! And you guys are on Mako too? So this was the final product right here. I brought the bar out away from there a little bit, just adjusting that screw so it fits on there just like a little bit nicer, but it does shut really nice. Very nice, very satisfied.